It's funny how the tools we rely on most are often the ones that quietly evolve into something entirely new while we aren't looking. You get comfortable with a device, you know its limits, its quirks, the little dance you have to do to make it work. And then suddenly there's an update, and it's like someone handed you a whole different machine. That's exactly where we're at right now with the Lonsdor K518 Pro. There's a February 2026 update rolling out, and it's not just a bug fix. It's a fundamental shift in what this tool can actually do, specifically for the newer Volkswagen Group cars and the latest BMW platforms. Welcome back to Baabji Motors. I'm Hussein, and if you're a technician or a serious enthusiast who's been wrestling with the security on these new MQB vehicles or the lockdown BMW modules, you know the landscape is changing fast. This isn't just a here's how to push a button tutorial. We're digging into what this update actually means, the licensing, the credit system, the hardware requirements. And I'm going to cut through confusion so you don't waste time or money. Before we get into the weeds, a quick heads up. Everything we discuss here is for educational purposes, aimed at helping professionals understand the process. Always follow the manufacturer's protocols and your local regulations. So, here's the core question that's been buzzing in every locksmith and diagnostic forum lately. With the K518 Pro's new support for VAG MQB49 5C and 5D systems, and expanded BMW BDC2, BDC3, BCP, and LCD modules, do you need to sell a kidney to pay for licenses and tokens? Or is it actually included? The answer, as always, depends entirely on which version of the device you're holding. If you're using the full version of the K518 Pro and you're one of those diligent users who keeps an active annual subscription, you're in the clear. You don't need to activate a separate license for these new functions. The subscription is your golden ticket. But if your license is expired, well, the tool doesn't work on faith. You'll need to renew that annual subscription to unlock these capabilities. Now, the situation is a bit different for the FCV users out there. If you're on the FCV model, you're looking at needing to activate the licenses individually. That means purchasing a dedicated license for the BMW BDC2, BDC3, BCP, and LCD functions, and a separate one for the VAG MQB49 5C and 5D. It's an extra step, but it keeps the entry cost lower for folks who might not need every single function from day one. But here's the part that trips everyone up. The license is just the entry fee. It's the ticket to the game. Actually playing, specifically when it comes to reading the original encrypted key data from these modules, requires credits. Think of it as a pay-as-you-go system on top of the subscription. For these new functions, the license itself includes about 160 credits. That's roughly $23 worth, depending on where you source them. You use these credits every time you read or copy the OEM key data. Once you run low, you buy more through your distributor, or you can swap points on a Lonsdor app at a 100-to-1 ratio. It sounds complicated, but the model is straightforward. You pay a bit for the heavy lifting decryption that happens on Lonsdor servers. There's a little kickback, though. You earn back 10% of the credits you spend every time you use the function. So roughly 1 in every 10 jobs is effectively free. Now, if you're a veteran who bought the BMW BDC2 or BDC3 license back when it cost around $30 before this update, check your device. You should have been automatically upgraded to the new combined license that includes the BCP and LCD coverage. Lonsdor did right by the early adopters on that one. And for those of you staring at a 2023 or newer VAG model with that dreaded SFD security gateway activation require message, the K518 Pro can now interface with it, but it needs a little help. The device supports unlocking that gateway, but you have to obtain the actual unlock code from a third-party provider. The tool is the bridge, but you need the key to cross it. On the hardware side, let's talk about the physical connection. You absolutely, positively must use Lonsdor's solder-free adapters for these jobs. We're talking about the ADP40 and the specific BMW and 5C, 5D adapters. I know it's tempting to grab a cheaper third-party clip from the usual online marketplaces, but resist the urge. They aren't compatible. The signal integrity and the pinouts are specific to the Lonsdor ecosystem, and if you try to cut corners here, you'll likely end up with a communication error and a very confused car. And the keys themselves stick to the original high-quality blanks. BDC2, BDC3, MQB49 5C, 5D. The genuine ones are the best quality equivalents. These new modules are finicky. A cheap blank can introduce enough variance to fail the programming cycle, and then you're left pulling your hair out trying to diagnose a problem that started at the hardware level. So, going back to that question I posed at the beginning, how do you know what you actually need to pay for? The red credit icon is your first clue. If you see it on the function you're about to run, that means you're going to consume credits, regardless of your license status. The license gets you to the door. The credits turn the handle. My personal take? The credit system, while it feels like an extra expense, actually makes sense when you consider what's happening behind the scenes. We're not just flipping bits in a key anymore. We're decrypting server-level security on cars that are designed to be unhackable. The cost reflects the server time and the computational power required to crack that nut. I know some of you will disagree, and that's fair. It's another recurring cost in a business full of them, but it's the reality of modern automotive work. Here's a tip that isn't in the manual. Before you even connect the tool, check the Lonsdor app for credit swap deals or promotions from your distributor. Sometimes you can snag credits at a better rate than the standard price, especially if you buy in bulk. And always verify the software version on your device against the latest release notes. An out-of-date tool is the #1 cause of failed programming. If this breakdown saved you from a headache or just cleared up the noise around this update, hit the like button and let's see if we can push that to 1,000. It helps more than you know. Drop a comment with your experience. Have you run into a 5D yet that threw you a curveball? I read them, and I want to hear your stories. And here's the honest truth. Only a small fraction of the people watching are actually subscribed. If you find value in these deep dives, if you want to see Baabji Motors grow into the #1 spot for no-fluff diagnostic content, hitting that subscribe button is the single best way to make that happen. These in-depth analyses take hours to research and produce, and your support, whether to like a comment or share, is what keeps the lights on. Check the affiliate links in the description if you're looking to grab any of the gear we talked about. It's a way to support the channel while gearing up your own shop. Thanks for sticking with me. Until the next one, keep your scans clean and your adapters original.